The Telematics Tool is an open-source data collection and streaming software that can be installed on any vehicle or infrastructure, such as intersections, traffic lights, and work zones, and can visualize data in near real time with typical latency in the 300 to 400 millisecond range. The Telematics Tool is open source and can be found on GitHub at the following on-screen link. Once you download the Telematics Tool on GitHub and install it for your project, you can register as a new user on the tool by going to your own Telematic login page and following these steps. 1. Select Register User. 2. Enter a username, email address, and password. 3. Select an organization from the drop-down. If your registration is successful, you will receive a Successfully Registered User pop-up. Note that all users have the view-only role by default. 4. Use the username and password you just created to sign in. The user interface on the software component of the Telematics Tool is made up of two sections, the Event Management section and the Topics section. The Event Management section is a page that displays the list of all events, which could include various CDA tests or deployment events. You can add, modify, or delete events in this section, along with assigning units, such as cars, infrastructure, etc., used in your tests. Each event can also be linked to its own individual dashboard in Grafana, a third-party visualization tool that is used for all data visualization needs of the Telematics Tool. To read more about Grafana, visit grafana.com/blog. The Topics section of the tool is where you will see the list of each topic available to the telematic unit in the Karma software, such as Karma Platform ROS2 topics and Karma Streets Kafka topics. The list of available topics is displayed by unit. You can select and confirm your desired topics for a particular unit. Once your selected topics are confirmed, they are sent to the telematic unit, and the unit is requested to stream data relating to those topics. Once the unit receives the request, it will subscribe to the topics and start to stream data back to the cloud server in near real time. After the cloud server receives the data, it then sends it to the InfluxDB, a time series database that stores all data for the Telematics Tool, which is visualized in the Grafana section of the tool. The Grafana section will display in near real time if the telematic units are actively testing. If the units aren't testing, you can see the historical test data by adjusting the time range within Grafana. Note that the Topics section will be blank if a telematic unit isn't active. Currently, these data sources are specific to the US DOT CDA program, but the tool can be adjusted to use your own data sources. If your organization is interested in the Telematics Tool, you can contact us at cavsupportservices@dot.gov for technical assistance while setting up your Telematics Tool instance.